Oh no! The radiator in my old school daily driver is fucked. It's got a crack in the tank, so eggs and black pepper won't do. We'll have to resort to some old school methods to repair this one. First, find the crack. Then, clean, clean, clean all around it. This is a long-ass crack. It's going to take at least 2 pennies to cover. First thing we do is flux, flux, flux like there's no tomorrow. Then we take our map gas torch and heat it all up. Lay a nice pool of solder over the whole area. Then flux it up some more. And lay your 2 pennies end to end over the crack. Then heat the pennies until they drop into the solder. And now it's much, much better than new, ready to go another 50 years. Sure, we broke a few federal laws, but trust me, they have bigger fish to fry.